guys, and welcome back to my channel. My Lookfantastic calendar unboxing just went up, and now I am coming with another unboxing from Lookfantastic. This time we are unboxing the Lookfantastic Beauty box for the month of October, and I really love the purple box. Purple is one of my favorite colors, if not my most favorite, and I love that everything is purple this month. If you don't know anything about Lookfantastic, I will tell you that this is a huge online retailer, and they have a monthly beauty subscription that retails starting from £15 per month. They ship worldwide, and if you do subscribe for 3, 6 or 12 months, this reduces the cost. Now, returning to our October beauty box. We have a code here that says, sometimes I forget to tell you the monthly code. The October code, it is that stars can shine without darkness. So this is by Lookfantastic Beauty box. Inside you get a booklet that tells you everything about the products that are inside, including the prices, and also you can get some brief info about other products that are on trend right now, and of course they are all available on Lookfantastic website. You also do get, as every month, the Elle magazine, which retails for £50, so £4.50, and my daughter loves to read this magazine because it has nice pictures, so she will point with her finger and ask, what is this, what is that? This month is the Cosmic Edition Beauty Box. Embrace a mythical update to your beauty this October with our Cosmic Beauty Box. Curated with 6 beauty products that are out of this world, our Cosmic Edition will help you to transform your beauty routine. In this month's Beauty Box edit, we are sharing an edit of ethereal highlighters, an exclusive interview with the people behind the products in the box, and a look at the latest K-beauty trend. Discover universal beauty with our October beauty box, as we embrace a box that is inspired by dark swirling galaxies and the shimmer of shooting stars. We're helping you to achieve ethereal beauty this month. Okay, on the back of the leaflet, it's written that it's coming soon, Lookfantastic Christmas stocking. Add a touch of Lookfantastic into your Christmas decorating this year with our His and Hers Christmas stocking. Get your His and Hers stocking for only £65. Non-subscribers will pay £90, and we also get a unique discount code. And if we are looking for the November sneak peek, turn to page 18 for your reveal. So I will do that. Okay, the actual sneak peek is on page 19, not in 18. So, November sneak peek, Espa Smooth and Firm Body Butter, worth £8.30. An intense body butter, rich in vitamin E and argan oil. This body butter will comfort and nourish the skin. So, there is that. The sneak peek for, I'm not sure if you will be able to see because it's too shiny. This side, it looks like this, so it's everything wrapped in a purple paper. I don't know what is inside. I think we have got a sneak peek last month, but I already forgot what is it about, and I haven't seen any unboxing so far, so we will discover together. I would like to remind you, in case you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Okay, let's start with the first product that actually was the sneak peek for last month. So this is Illuminating Holographic Sheet Mask by OK. And you also get the instructions on how to use this. Give your skin a futuristic facial with this hyaluronic acid infused face mask, containing a supercharged dose of brightening citrus oil and skin boosting ascorbic acid. The complexion is left bright and dewy. Okay, so this is our first item. Second product. Ooh, this is I keep it upside down, a EOS lip balm. Shimmer coral, pearl or iridescent or crystal vanilla orchid. Product might vary, worth £6.50. So I got it in shimmer coral, which I actually love it. It's even more interesting if it has some tint, so let's find out 10 minutes later. So it's really pretty, the outer packaging. It's not very fragranced, but I don't see any tint. Oh, maybe it's just a slight sheen. And look, the actual balm. It's really pretty, and I love the cap, so it's fancy. I will definitely look very fancy when I will get out this from my purse. So yeah, love it. The third product I see is a eye brush. Angled blending brush by the brand Look Good, Feel Better. I think we have had another brush from this brand before. So you know me and my obsession for brushes. So this is really soft. But yeah. And you see how it's an angle? So you can do blending on the outer corner of your eye where you have the crease. I have this problem because my eyes are hooded and sometimes I'm not able to blend with a normal blending brush. So I hope this one will be helpful, and I love the fact that it's really soft. Let's find out how much it retails. Look Good, Feel Better Angled Blending Brush retails for £6.99. Create an eyeshadow look that is blended to perfection with this angled blending brush from Look Good, Feel Better. With an angled flat-headed brush, this eyeshadow brush can be used for a diffused makeup look or to blend out more intense finish. Number 4. Ooh! Number 4, it's one of my favorite highlighters and the only one that I purchased with my own money. Of course, this is a deluxe size. Okay, so there are variations here. We can get the balm multi-purpose powder in alternative rock, take it for granite, fold again eyeshadow in red-handed or Mary Luminizer. Product might vary, so this retails for £8. Now, to be honest, I would have preferred to get one of the first two products because I already own the Mary Luminizer, but you cannot choose. This is something which Lookfantastic should look into. Maybe they can do in future some better service and can let us pick some products, 1 or 2 products for the month. This is as much as you get. I will swatch it because this probably will go in one of my upcoming giveaways, just for the fact that there is no point to keep it with me, so one of you guys will enjoy it. But I will swatch the actual full size that I have it. So this is the full size, and by the way, the full size contains 8.5 grams and this contains 1.5 grams, so it's really small, and it's one of the most gorgeous highlighters I've ever seen. As I told you, I'm not a very big highlighter person, and this is the only one that I've purchased with my own money. All the other highlighters that I have in my collection, I have them received through beauty subscriptions. Moving forward, this is so cute. This is a wet brush, mini detangler, wet brush. Mini detangler by wet brush, color might vary, worth £7.99. the ultimate hair and time-saving tool, the Wet Brush Mini effortlessly detangles wet or dry hair without breaking or stretching hair. Ergonomically designed with a non-slip handle, smooth and style hair in a breeze with this on-the-go essential, suitable for all hair lengths and textures. How to use? Use to smooth and detangle wet or dry hair. Okay, so this is, maybe I should get that open. I feel that this is the edition with the most tough packaging to remove. So yeah, the bristles are really flexible, and I love the fact that the pinpoints are rounded and they are also green, so they are matching with the brush. Yes, so this is for sure most suitable for a little girl. My girl is 2 and almost 5 months, 2 and 4 months, so I think she will enjoy, she will love to brush her hair. But I can tell that even for my hair is doing wonders. Now let me tell you that I don't brush my hair every day. I usually brush it wet after I take the bath, and for the rest I just comb it with my fingers, and I use some oil to give it some shine, but I don't brush it truly. Maybe I will brush on the front or some parts that I feel that are more tangled, but other than that, a solid brush I just give it after I take the actual hair wash. We have only one product left, and this is by Polar, the Genuine Lapland Hand Cream, which retails for £9.90. Treat your hands with this nourishing and protective hand cream inspired by historic rituals of the women of Lapland. Rich in Arctic berries, this hand cream envelopes hands in moisture, saving them for the chill of autumn. Oh, the scent is really, really nice. And look, the consistency is white and thick. And indeed, it's really, really moisturizing. It's a heavy hand cream. Really, really perfect for the incoming winter. Unfortunately, we are almost near to the winter, and judging for the horrible weather that we had in the past couple of days, I feel that it's almost winter. So yeah, I won't be able to do a total up of the products that we've got because I don't have any phone or tablet around me, but I will put on the screen the total value for the month of October. I think the value is not so high, and maybe it's not the best out of all beauty boxes that we've got this year, but I'm really excited for the mask, also for the brush. I love that we got a rich hand cream and a lip balm that will give you a nice shine if you don't want to use a actual lipstick. I'm excited to use the wet brush to comb either my hair or my daughter's hair. I'll give some of my subscribers in my upcoming video this lovely Mary Luminizer highlighter. This is everything that we've got in the Lookfantastic October beauty box. That it is a Cosmic Edition beauty box. Please let me know in your comments down below if you are getting this box, and if you do so, how did you like it? It is your favorite? Did you had better before? Just let me know what is your opinion, and also let me know what other boxes you are getting. Maybe you can give me some idea, because so far I'm only subscribed to Lookfantastic Beauty box, and I'm thinking to get some other boxes, even though I have so many skincare that I need to go through. So maybe I will consider to stop my subscriptions for a while. Of course, not Lookfantastic, but to not get other beauty boxes. I will put here on the screen other videos that I would recommend you to check, including my Lookfantastic Advent Calendar 2019 unboxing. And other than that, I hope you will subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I wish you all to have a great day, and I will see you again really, really soon. Mwah!